Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see string methods in Python. Firstly, isAlnum. IsAlnum is nothing but check if all are in characters or in numbers. In the string containing the hello world, the hello world is in characters, not in numbers. So it returns the false value. The same example for isAlnum, it containing the characters and plus the numeric value, that means numbers. So it called the isAlnum function, it return the true value. Secondly, isAlpha. IsAlpha is nothing but check if all character in strings are alphabetic. In the string contain hello world. Hello world are in alphabetic, but it return the false value because there is space in between these words. Hello world, in between there is space. So it return the false value. If alpha does not allow the space in between these endings or any words. Is alpha hello company. It does not containing the any space. So it return the true value. Thirdly is digit. Digit is nothing but all characters, all string containing a digit only. It containing the alphabets. So it return the false value. In the another example, it contain the digits is digit. Call the function is digit. The string containing the digit. So it return the true value. Title is nothing but test. If strings are in title words, the starting word, that means then each word in a start or in uppercase, it return the true value, otherwise it return the false value. In this syntax, H in uppercase, others are followed by lowercase letters, so its title is written true. If H in lowercase, others are in uppercase, means it return the false value because its title is defined string contain first letter. That means each first letters are start with uppercase values. Only it return the true values. Otherwise it return the false values. Next is upper. Upper is it return the uppercase values only. So only it return true. Otherwise it return the false value. Is lowercase is not nothing but if test the string containing the lower cases. It does test the string, the hello world are in lower case, so it return the true value. Next is space. Space is nothing but test the string containing the space. There is space in between hello world. There is space in between this hello and world. There is a space because it return false value. Why? Test the string. It contain the space. The strings are in empty space. There is no words, no numbers or anything. Only empty string containing the space. This empty string containing this empty string and containing the space. Only it return the true value. Otherwise, it return false. Empty string or contain space. Call this the space function and it return the true value. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.